Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to fix lag and stutter in Counter-Strike 2 and how you can fix this. So very first thing is that optimize game settings. Adjusting game settings can significantly improve performance. Lower the resolution and detail settings to reduce the load on your GPU. This can help reduce input lag. If available, switch to performance mode that prioritize FPS over graphics, right? And once you open the launchpad here, open Steam, right click on CS2 and select properties. Let me show you here. So this is it. Go to library and let's say that this is CS2, right click on it and then just go to the properties here. In the properties and enter the following in the launchpad here, right? So if you're using and make sure that your game should be installed, and in my case the game is not installed, but this is a launch option here. And here I will just give it to you guys. Let me show you. This is it. You have to just copy this up and you have to paste it here in the launch pad, right? So once you have done it, then press the enter and that's it. And then next thing you have to do is just use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for more stable internet. Change your server region in game to connect to one with lower ping here, and make sure increasing your RAM can help with multitasking and overall performance. Install SSD, right? Install the game files in SSD, and this will increase the speed to much more better. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.